Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my recipe for apple pie, just in time for Thanksgiving. Let's get started.
Let's start with our ingredients. We need 1 recipe of double crust pastry. See my recipe for pie crust if you don't have one of your own. 6 medium apples. You will need more or less depending on the size of your apples. 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar. 2 tablespoons flour. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon to taste. A bit more sugar to sprinkle onto the pie crust. First, roll out half of your pie crust. And lay it into an 8 or 9-inch pie plate. Trim off the excess using scissors or a knife. Poke the crust with a fork. Peel, core, and slice the apples into small pieces. Add sugar, flour, and cinnamon to the apples and toss it all together. At first it will seem to be too dry, but the natural juices from the apples will help it come together if you just stir it a bit more. Pour the apple mixture into the bottom crust and spread it around. Then roll out the other half of the pie crust. Now I chose to decorate it a bit, but you absolutely don't have to do this step. You can just cut a few small slits into the crust before baking, but this was fun too. I use a few small plunger cutters and cut out a pattern into the middle of the crust, making sure to leave enough crust around the edges. I cut the edges off the top crust now, leaving plenty of crust on the edges. Now, I tuck the crust toward the inside of the pie, turning the edges upward, pinching the edges together as I go. Then I pinch the edges together to create a fluted edge. Then I placed a few of the cutouts onto the top of the pie to decorate it a bit more. Then I sprinkled a bit of sugar onto the top crust. Bake the pie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, 35 to 45 minutes, or until the top crust is golden brown. I love this recipe. This is the first recipe I've made myself without any help at age 12. I can also eat the apple pie filling with a spoon. Apples and cinnamon, delicious. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.